Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Klarna on Expedia. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows you to pay for your travel bookings in installments, making it easier to manage your expenses. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to use Klarna on Expedia. First, log into your Expedia account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once you have logged in, start searching for your desired travel dates and destination. You can book flights, hotels, or package deals on Expedia. After selecting your travel options, proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, you will see various payment options, including credit cards, PayPal, and Klarna. Select Klarna as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Klarna website to complete the payment process. If you are an existing Klarna user, log into your account. If you are a new user, you will need to create a Klarna account. The sign-up process is quick and easy, and you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you have logged in or created your Klarna account, you will see the payment options available to you. Klarna offers various payment plans, including paying in full at checkout, paying in 4 installments, or financing your purchase over a longer period. Select the payment plan that suits you best and review the terms and conditions. Make sure you understand the payment schedule, interest rates, and any fees associated with your chosen payment plan. After selecting your payment plan, confirm your payment and you will be redirected back to the Expedia website. Your booking will be confirmed, and you will receive a confirmation email with all the details of your travel itinerary. Using Klarna on Expedia is a convenient and flexible way to pay for your travel bookings. It allows you to spread the cost of your trip over time, making it more manageable. Just remember to review the terms and conditions of your payment plan carefully and make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or interest charges. By following these steps, you can easily use Klarna on Expedia to book your next trip. Always review the terms and conditions of your payment plan and make your payments on time to get the most out of this payment service.